See view. See view. This is Ghana Highway Authority where our ships is being repaired. Just look at it. Wow. And this is the Water Lake where we have been doing our show. Let me see this. I think this town has been abandoned. Let's see. Let's go inside and see the ferry. Yeah, this is the ferry. See the ferry? Yes, welcome to the ferry. Our big man is here. He will tell us something small about the ferry. You see, this is all what the returning have for you. Yes. You see, this is how it works. So, this is Ghana. This is the ferry. It has worked. We are on the second building, the second floor, or we should call it the first floor. The first floor. Yes. Wow. So that is it. It's Mr. Fred Kojomen Cycle 247. We are right at the ferries. Wow. I just wanted to go in there and drive the ferry so that, you know, I will be your piloter and you can see the steer, everything. It has 2 steers. And wow. I've seen MS Sogakope. Let me watch it from here also. So, this is how the ferry look like. This is on the Water Lake. Here, they repair ship, ferries, boats. So, as you can see for yourself, this ship is under construction. This particular one is under construction. So this is how it works. This is Ghana Highway Authority. So this is where we repair our ship, our boat, and our ferry, our live boat, whatever. This is where we get the repair, and this is on the river, the Water Lake, where the returnees show the massive development on the Water Lake. So once again, it's Mr. Fred Kojomen Cycle 247, and this is the returnee channel, and this is the shipyard right at Ada, Big Ada, and this is where the ship being repaired. So you can see the resource over there, you can see the islands, or everything here. So the returnee channel will always bring you activities that will educate you. It's Mr. Fred Kojomen once again. I always say raise thumb up, subscribe, you share our channel. So once again, we are going through the ferry again and we take us down. So just raise thumb up for Mr. Fred. Say, Mr. Fred, are you cool for whatever you are doing for the returnees? So we love the returnees, we guide them, we protect them, we make sure they never go astray. And that is how it goes everywhere. So this is the returnee channel. So this is the ferry. And this is how it goes. So lovely, so nice, so beautiful. Everything here is accurate. We thank God for this lovely day. Nana, get a master opinion. Yes, I. Nana, I want to share with you. Like I say, I brought from home. Oh, open when I would drive away, no. Oh, you're driving on. Okay. That is it. Our father works here, and it's like, why he's not a driver. I was trying to find out who is the driver. So this is the shipyard, as you can see. You just raise thumb up, subscribe, tell someone to tell somebody, tell another person to tell another person about the returnee channel. You are always welcome, And trust me, anytime you are in Ghana, GH, have nothing to worry about. Soon as Returnee channel, it's like your map, your Google map. It tells you to go here, it tells you to come here. Look at the massive development right on the same. Yes, as you can see. Yes, Returnee channel will take you to visit all these lovely places. Treasure Island, Crocodile Island, all this island at Ada on the Water Lake. So Mr. Alfred is always with a good thing. What do I need from you? Raise thumb up, subscribe, share, hit the notification button. Let people understand. Tell someone about the Returnee channel. And we always say, if you welcome home, home sweet home. When you say SANKOFA, you say if you welcome home. And trust me, this channel will lead you to Mount Zion. And Mount Zion is where we say you are welcome. Through Messiah Marcos Gabe, the blaster line, we are telling you that repatriation emancipation is a move. Akwaba. Let me take Soga Copper to off it for you. So this is our ferry. This is the Returnee channel.